Hey guys, today I have something very special for you. If you haven't know about it, right now I would like to introduce you to one of the world's fastest four-door sedan, the 2014 BMW M5. The BMW M5 is a high-performance version of the BMW 5 Series executive car built by the motorsport division of BMW. For the year 2014, they added the optional competition package, which provide a 15 horsepower increase, now 575, a different exhaust system, unique 20-inch wheel, and mirror chassis revision. In addition, all M5 received subtle styling updates, a new steering wheel, and touchpad entry capability for the iDrive infotainment system. Adaptive LED headlights are a new option, as is a collision mitigation system with a pedestrian detection. The 2014 BMW M5 is simply a high-performance version of the 5 Series sedan. However, there have been so many great M5 sedan over the year that the nameplate stands on its own. Here is the adaptive LED headlights with dynamic auto leveling corona headlight rings, as well as cornering light, retractable headlight washer, as well as parking assist built into the front bumper. Here is the iconic M5 double black spoke kidney grille and the night vision camera, aerodynamic front bumper, shadowline exterior trims, and intermittent windshield wipers. Cornering light and side camera are also built into the front bumper. 20-inch M light alloy wheels, and behind the set of wheels is the ventilated disc brake with 6-piston caliber. The specific M5 fender with integrated LED turn signal light, side view mirror. Alright, the rear comes with a 20-inch M light alloy wheels as well, and a single piston floating caliber brakes behind it. Alright, to the back you see the rear deck lid spoiler, BMW badge and the M5 logo. Here is the LED tail lamp, LED brake lamp, and LED turn signal lamp. Park assist also built into the rear bumper, and the rear diffuser with quad round chrome tip exhaust further differentiate the M5. Okay, the M5 does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, push the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand on the door handle to unlock. The exterior is known as Alpine White, and the interior features black extended merino leather seats, black on the dash as well as the door panel with silver accenting throughout the car. And as I mentioned earlier, the car does come with self-close automatic door. If you fail to close it, it's okay, it'll close for you. Alright, let's start it up and see how it sounds. Your foot on the brake, push the button to start. Okay, let's pop the hood. The rear-wheel drive 2014 BMW M5 is powered by a twin turbocharged with M-twin power turbo technology 4.4-liter V8 engine that produces 560 horsepower, 575 with the competition package, and 502 pound-feet of torque. A 7-speed automated manual with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter comes standard, though a 6-speed conventional manual transmission is a no-cost option. Stop-start engine function and a torque vectoring rear differential can hit from 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. EPA estimated fuel economy is 14 city, 20 highway, and 16 combined. All four windows are fully automatic. 2 position memory setting for both driver and passenger. M5 illuminated door sill. There's the pedal. Trunk release button. M5 perforated seats with heated and ventilated option, featuring 20-way power front and multi-console seats with 4-way power lumbar support, articulated upper backrest, adjustable thigh support, passenger seat memory, and active head restraint with adjustable side support. Include 2-position memory system for driver and front passenger seats, steering wheel, and outside mirrors. Okay, let's take a look at the steering wheel. Beautiful red and blue contrast stitching, feel really nice. The 3-spoke M Sport design steering wheel is wrapped in leather, featuring tilt and telescopic steering column with heated option, silver accenting in the middle. Also comes with multi-function control side by side for your convenience. The paddle shifter is located behind the wheel, just in case you want to drive it in manual mode. There's your light control and the driver air vent. The large 10.2-inch display screen. Double air vent. Door lock. Emergency hazard light. Multimeter control. Four-zone climate control. Double cup holder and the cigarette lighter. Okay, so here's the gearbox. Over to the left for neutral and up for reverse. Once you're in reverse, the backup camera will display on the display screen with guidance line. It will move also as you turn the wheels. Move it down and over to the right for manual mode, up and down to change gear, or you can also use the paddle shifter located behind the steering wheel to change gear also. Next to the gearbox is all your function button like traction control off, suspension mode, heated steering wheel, parking assist, etc. And here's the control to the iDrive unit, up and down, left or right, and that's all the button. Right, you can scroll the knob around to move around screen, press down to select. Now this particular model also comes with Bang & Olufsen surround sound system, which feature high-end surround sound system, feature 16 perfectly integrated loudspeakers that deliver rich sound. Park and brake button, ashtray, center storage compartment with USB and auxiliary input, also a 12-volt power outlet. Here's the trunk lock button, glove box compartment. The M5 real aluminum trim called aluminum trace is unique to the M5 and plentiful on the dashboard and door panel. Seeing the real stuff in such quantity and quality makes the fake painted plastic in less expensive car even more beautiful. Anthracite Alcantara headliner, one touch open and close moonroof, light control, universal garage door opener, sun visor mirror with a card holder, alright, let's see what the back have to offer. Very spacious. Here's the Bang & Olufsen speakers, rear sunshade, one on each door to block some of the sun out, M5 aluminum door sill, okay, here's my personal view to the front cabin. Very nice. Here's the dual climate control for the back. Rear seat pocket. Light control. Here's the look to the back. The back also have a sunshade in the back. Rear armrest, storage compartment, and 2 cup holder for the rear passenger. The back is very comfortable and spacious. The trunk offers 14 cubic feet of cargo space. The rear seat does offer split and fold option if you need to fold it down for additional cargo space. Lock button, one touch close. There is your rear view camera. The M5 interior is trimmed in generous amount of leather and aluminum. Rear seat passenger will be very comfortable sitting in the back and will have plenty of space regardless of size. Just as they do in any other 5 Series, the driver and front passenger are spoiled with splendid 16-way adjustable seats with articulating headrest and backrest and adjustable side bolster, making it virtually impossible to be uncomfortable. Furthermore, they look as good as they feel. BMW iDrive system continue to evolve and work quite well in the M5. It features a widescreen and an elegant control knob in the center console that together govern most entertainment, climate control and navigation function, as well as various vehicle settings. Touchpad entry is a new feature for the navigation system this year, and it allows owner to enter destination freehand by tracing their finger on top of the control knob. Overall, the M5 is one of the best 4-door performance car BMW have to offer. It is downright luxurious and offers countless of features. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video reviews. I'll see you guys next time.